All right, what's good, guys? Welcome back to another Sunday pre-market setup where we go over some plays and plans we can get into for the week coming up. Just go ahead and give me a few seconds while I just send out the link to the community, and then we can get started. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Gonna be a good week for buys, bro. Good week for buys. All right, link is all sent. Of course, if you have any questions or comments, just comment down in the comment section below, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. All right, so let's just get started with EURUSD. All right. All right, cool. So EURUSD, right? It's been taken since last week, the week prior as well. What's good, bro? Seventh guy, what's good, bro? If you have any questions about what I'm doing, just comment it down in the comment section below. And then if you have any pairs you want me to go over, just comment it as well. All right, but we're gonna get started with EURUSD. Um, so yeah, we're coming off a bearish, the last 2 weeks. Thursday and Friday just started to, actually become bullish. So what I'm more comfortable about, like, for EURUSD, what I really want, for it to be actually bullish in the market, because it's bullish just in price right now, but the market is still bearish because it's still at a key resistance point. So, right, my guess is since it's opening at a resistance, unfortunately, it might do a little gap going down. Hopefully it doesn't, but it might, because that's what it usually does when it opens up at resistance on Sunday. It does a little gap, and then probably come down to to support right here. This is the last higher low it made. So hopefully the support holds, but I'm not gonna enter at this support. Just a guideline, just to have this in the back of my mind that, all right, cool, this is still support right here, so it could potentially bounce from this area and then break. So the main thing I want, like the only entry I'm gonna get from this pair, is a break of 1.1800, a higher low, and then I'm gonna get in that higher low right there. All right. As you can see, it's strong resistance right here, double top right here. It got kind of close to that resistance, but this is like the real resistance right here. A lot of resistance on the 15-minute chart, and a double top on the 15-minute chart as well. Obviously, it's on the hour and 4 hour and daily, whatever. But it's clear as day right here. So this is a strong resistance right here. So hopefully, if it does, open up the week going down, hopefully it just stops right here, or we have another, key area right here. Rectangle, another key area right here. All right, this is another key area, and then we have one more right here. So I might as well just mark all this up for the week coming up. Come on. There you go. And one more. Come on. Damn it. All right, but I'm just gonna leave it there. But anyways, we have like 3 support zones going back down. This is what sellers want to do. They're actually gonna try, if they haven't already, they probably sold off this resistance right here on Friday, hinting a double top right here. And then they're expecting a break from it. So I'm gonna do sellers first and then my buys. So just to give best of both worlds. So sellers are hoping it to come down, maybe come up to retest this area right quick, and then come down again. They're gonna have another challenge right here. This is support right here. Hopefully, they want a break of this as well, a retest, and then this is like the last challenge right here, this area right here. Obviously, they want to break and then retest and then continue going down. If I have on a 4 hour time frame, they're probably gonna target for the week. Let's see, probably 1600 for the week, because this is like the bottom of everything too. If not 1700, but it's only 200 pips away, so it's all good. Like, that's good. That's good pips for sellers. But what I want, right, And mind you, like what sellers want to do, that's kind of conflict for us. So just keep that in mind as well. So that's why it's important for you guys to know what sellers want to do at all times as well. All right. So for buyers, you guys actually want a break of this, like I said, a high, a low. If it doesn't break, you're gonna have to test this out this next level right here. This is called this is price dropping right now. So at the same time, you do want the enter right here, but at the same time you don't because price is dropping at this point. So it's not clear higher highs or higher lows that are being made. It's lower lows and lower highs being made, and we don't buy lower lows or lower highs. All right. So if this does come down here, we're gonna need a little double bottom or a shoot up to the next support zone right here. You guys can buy this off of here as well, but just realize this is a strong resistance you're buying into. So it's probably going to be a safer way, a safer trade if you just wait for that break, a retest, right? Or if you do enter down here and you are, trying to break that resistance, to get a better stop loss, because either way, this is going to be a stop loss right here. It's going to be like 20 pips. Okay, so if you're, if you're kind of like iffy about this play, not even iffy, but like if you're kind of aggressive for this play, you want to enter right here on a higher low. So if you enter on a higher low right here, you're gonna probably push your stop loss to break even as soon as it makes a good push up. So once it makes a good push up and you enter right here, you could probably want it to keep it at break even, just in case it does come down from here and it just goes back down. All right, because this is a strong resistance right here, so you gotta be mindful of that. All right. And then our weekly target is probably going to be 2,000. I'll probably get out 2,000 for the week. Not even for the week, like for I don't know, probably on Wednesday. Like regardless, my target is 2,000. Just because I see a lot of resistance, like even from here, like, I might get out right here because there's a lot of resistance right there. And how many pips is that away? Like 10 pips away. Yeah, so I'm not 15 to 20 pips away, so I'm not even concerned about that. So yeah, we should get a nice push up from EU. Hopefully it breaks 1800. If you guys don't have any questions, I'm gonna move on to the next pair, which is GU. Let me delete this actually. All right, so GU. Ooh. Oh yeah. GU is average resistance as well. All right, so my plan for GU is actually I'm gonna do solos first. So solos, what you would do is try to actually flip this for the one time, and you guys ew, ew. Damn, that's what. That's what. Anyways, sellers, you might want to sell this right now. Like when the market opens because 382 Fibonacci retracement plus the 3800 major level confluence and plus a lower high, major resistance right there. This might be a key resistance for buyers. I mean for sellers actually. To actually sell this going back down to all the way to 3600. All right. Hopefully it doesn't happen, but I'm expecting some type of reaction from sellers. Either you coming down to 50 pips because this is actually my actual buy zone right here because of this right here. So this is what buyers want right here. We did the big push. We're expecting a higher low from this point. Fib it that way. Boom, confluence right there. So you see how you got to pick and choose what side you want to be on. You feel me? If I do a flip like that, it's gonna be confluent with my buys because my buy zone is confluent with the 382 and a lot of support right here. So it's gonna be a battle between these two levels right here. So just be very 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 cautious. Pick and choose what you want to do and stay with that bias, right? Because me, I'm a buyer like always. I always buy because make it easy on my psychology and on my technique. So I always buy high lows on top of support. All right. So with that being said, if I do a Fibonacci retracement and it matches up my 382 mid level, it matches up my mid level on the 382 Fibonacci retracement. That's gonna be a big influence for myself too. But you can also do it with sellers as well because as you guys just seen, boom, boom, 382 sell zone right there. So it's gonna be a battle between this right here. But hopefully we get that higher low right here and then continue going back up. And then my target for the week is probably going to be 4,000. As you can see, ton of resistance right there, a lot of resistance. So That's how much? 200 pips. So everything's going for 200 pips for the week. That's fire. 200, 400, 600. Fire. Okay. That's fire. All right. So GJ, I'm pretty sure nobody has a question for GU. Yeah. So I'm waiting for one thing and one thing only, pretty much. If it does tank though, that's okay. I would think about if it does tank, where am I gonna buy at? And honestly, I don't want. I don't even know. Like I only have like one plan for GU right now. Like 3700 could be a play too as well because there's a lot of resistance right here. But the main thing I want is a higher low right here. Like I already have an assumption that's gonna come down to 37500. I already have an assumption. Um yeah, yeah. I just need a higher low on 37500 so I can get in. So yeah, all right, cool. GJ. All right. So GJ had a nice push that I missed, 200 pips. But we're not gonna speak on that. All right. So for GJ, my plan is probably gonna be. I'm already in this for a fighter front run. By the way, so hopefully it doesn't do a gap going back down or whatever. But what I'm expecting is it to come up right here. Like this is my first option right here. This major level right here. I'm not gonna get into it again. I'm probably gonna get into it. Breaking this 151 point 500 level. Okay. Mm, yeah, that's probably my only plan as well. And if it tanks, I'm just gonna have to reset my whole plan. Because it can very well tank. So pretty much I only have one play for GJ. It's gonna be this, and actually two, actually this right here, or the high low. Excuse me. Or the high low on top of 151 500. I'm also in CAD JPY as well. We have a 3-2 Fibonacci retracement from there. But let's do the reverse just to see. Nah. And NJ as well. We had a nice push going up. High low on top of this mid level right here. If you get the fib going on to 3-2 got smashed. And then the Fibonacci retracement is all the way up there. So you see how these confluences happen, guys. That's what you want. You want a lot of confirmations on the trades, all right? Not just one, wick on top of a major level with mid level. That's not okay. You need multiple confluences. Use your tools. Use your skills that you got taught by us. All right. So with that being said, I'm pretty sure I'm pretty done. Pretty done. So GU, yeah, might fall down to the mid level right there. EURUSD, some three zones right here. We shall see what happens. Just thinking like what could happen. All right, cool. Yep. So I guess that's it. Like, if you guys don't have any questions, I'm gonna just go about my back testing. I also send a back testing link in about 2 hours. So actually we can actually see the market open on Sunday at 5 o'clock. So you stay tuned for that. I don't know if I'm gonna do that, but I'm definitely gonna do a back testing session. So if you guys want to get into that too, just be on the lookout for a link in the community, and I will send it out when I do have a time. Okay. But yeah, that's my pitch for today and for the whole week actually. So if you guys do have any questions with regarding my pairs, just give me a shout out and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also DM me whatever you do what you gotta do to get my attention, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. All right. So with that being said, have a good week. Play smart, guys. Don't do nothing dumb. Just be patient, be smart. Wait for your players to unfold, and then just get this bread. All right. So see you guys back in the community, and